Hello! In front of me I have Redmi Smart Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this smart band. To turn on this smart band you will need a couple of things. First you will need a charging cable that was provided with your smart band. Looks like this. We have the USB end and the charging end. Another thing you will need is a power source for that charging cable. It could be anything with the USB port that provides power. I'm gonna use this charging brick, but it could be a computer or other charging brick or something like that. Basically anything that provides power through the USB port. Okay. Also, I'm gonna mention it, but I'm gonna use the extension cable for the power brick because the charging cable for the band is too short to reach the power outlet. So I'm gonna use the extension cable. So to turn it on, simply plug the USB end of the charging cable to the power source. So I'm gonna plug in the extension cable, then plug the power brick to the power outlet, and then I'm gonna plug the USB end of the charging cable to the extension cable. So it's plugged to the power source now. And once you plug it to the power source, take the end with the pins and plug it to your smart band. And it's quite easy. You just bring it close to the smart band and it's gonna snap on because it's magnetic. And once it snaps on, the band should receive the power and it should turn on automatically. And after it does turn on, you can unplug the cable like this. And that's how you turn on this smart band. Oh, come on. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.